Once upon a random day, may mga moments talaga na mapapaisip ka ng gusto ko muna ng ibang vibes. Yung tipong sana makalayo lang muna kahit saglit, kahit isang araw lang. Alam mo yan, hindi naman dahil may bigat sa puso, pero minsan lang talaga kailangan mo lang ng konting reset. Ako, lagi ko naiisip na pumunta sa Cagayan de Oro, mag-overnight, magpahinga, wala muna iniisip sa trabaho o kung anong pressure sa paligid. Gusto ko lang ng me time, sakto. Meron akong nakaplan na forced leave noong June 13 at ang ganda pa ng timing kasi kinabukasan pala may sport fit sa office. Sabi ko, aba, change ko na to. So ayun, nagbook ako ng apartment sa Century Tower, Cagayan de Oro through Agoda. Ako nagbook. Medyo hesitant pa nga ako nung una kasi may mga post ako nakikita sa feed ko about baha. You know, mga ganun. Pero inisip ko, grabe, bihira lang to. May budget ka, may leave ka, and parang aligned lahat. Bakit hindi ko pa i-grab, diba? Kaya ayun na nga, click, 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 and then, boom, nagbook ang lola ninyo. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang mga thoughts na hala ka, baka may multo or something. Pero alam mo na, overthinking lang, minsan tayo lang din ang nagpapakaba sa sarili natin kahit wala naman talaga, 'di ba? So fast forward a bit, 2 days before ng trip, nag-message si host sa akin. Sabi niya, na-move daw yung aking unit from 1924 to 605. Napatanong tuloy ako, hala, bakit po? Pero ayun, pinaliwanag naman niya, may sira daw yung aircon sa original unit, kaya okay, reasonable. Tapos bonus pa, pwede na ako mag-check-in ng 12 noon instead of 3 p.m. Yes! Perfect to kasi Friday yon and gusto ko sana makapag-pray ng duher nang hindi nagmamadali. Big plus point sa akin yun, kaya early pa lang naisip ko na 5-star agad to. Thank you sa mabait na host. Come Friday, sumama ako sa parents ko papuntang Iligan City. Hinatid nila ako sa terminal pa Cagayan. Around 2 hours yung biyahe, sakto lang for chill ride. Pagdating sa CDO, sumakay na ako ng taxi para diretso na ako sa Centrio. Medyo nagmamadali rin kasi gusto kong abutan yung early check-in. Nakarating ako sa Centrio Mall around 11:50 a.m. So nag-decide muna ako bumili ng makakain. Gutom na rin eh. After that, naglakad na ako papuntang Centrio Tower. Pagdating ko doon, sabi ng guard, ma'am, cleaning pa yung room. Kaya nag-register muna ako and waited ng mga 30 minutes. Finally, nakaakyat na ako sa room 605 or the 6th floor. Pagbukas ng elevator, tahimik, as in tahimik na tipong, hello, may tao ba dito? Charot. So, naalala ko tuloy yung mga horror movies, yung parang may lalabas bigla. Pero syempre, kalma lang, besh. Imagination lang yan. Talk about the experience regarding sa IS Unit 605 sa Century Tower. So, anyway, the host name is Aya. So yun na nga, girl, grabe, super convenient kasi it's just near the elevator. As in, pag akyat mo pa lang, boom, kita mo na kung asa na andon yung unit na naka-assign sa'yo. So, no need for hanap-hanap pa. So, pagpasok ko pa lang, I was like, wow, this is so cute. Cozy vibes all the way. Para talaga siyang ideal for 2 people na gusto lang mag-relax or maybe have a chill staycation. Tapos, syempre, nag-observe muna tayo, diba? So, ayun, may queen size bed sila na comfy looking at then may brown na sofa rin sa super cozy. Like, pwede ka na doon matulog kung gusto mo lang. So, tapos na napansin ko, may dalawang sabitan ng clothes. Yung isa malapit sa bed and then yung the other one is near the table. Kaya kung medyo OC ka sa gamit mo, you have option kung saan isasabit yung clothes mo. 'Di ba? Love it talaga. Now, let's talk about TV. Guys, it's actually malaki and nakakatuwa kasi may access sila sa Netflix, YouTube, Disney, and other streaming apps. Ako pa naman na hindi nakasubscribe ng Netflix. So, girl, nag-bench ako. Ended up watching the series and even a movie in a super interesting. I was hooked. Anyway, going back, meron din silang wifi. Though at the time, medyo hindi ganun kabilis. Pero okay na rin for casual browsing or streaming. Tapos, they have this electric stove heater, rice cooker, and looking sa ref, meron din utensil like plates, saucer, mugs. So, if gusto mo magluto, pwedeng-pwede dito. After all, apartment style setup ito. Bonus pa, meron silang hair blower at plancha. So, kung may mga lakad ka or gusto mong mag-ayos ng outfit mo, solved ka na. Kaya for me, super worth it talaga yung price ng stay. Kung pipili ako between hotel like Red Planet and this one, Century Tower na ako hands down. Oh, ang quick ng side note, no? They actually have a swimming pool sa first floor. Though, di ko na siya na-check-in person kasi ang goal ko lang naman talaga ay mag-relax mode ang lola ninyo. Pero if gusto mo mag-dip or mag-chill sa pool nila sa Century Tower, 100 pesos lang yung bayad during weekdays and 150 pag weekends naman kung gusto mo. O diba, pagkabongga. So ayun, if ever naghahanap kayo ng chill, cozy, and convenient place to stay in CDO Ayala, CDO Aya's unit number 605, and there are also other unit by Aya at the Century Tower. So it is a definitely must try. So if ever you are not familiar with the place sa Cagayan de Oro, ano prime location ito? So it is nestled next to Century Mall, a 3-minute walk to shopping, dining, and errands, and just steps from Seda Century Hotel and BPO offices. So you're also a short walk to Gaisano Mall, SM Downtown Premier, and Limkit Kai Center. So the property highlights here is that Century Tower has a 23-story building developed by Aveda Land and Ayala Land, Cagayan de Oro's first high-rise condo. Then the units range from cozy studio to 1-bedroom and roomy 2-bedroom. So the condos have thoughtful finishes, vinyl, plank floors, built-in kitchen, cabinetry, smoke detectors, and internet-ready wiring. So amenities that stand out. Of course, I mentioned ko na yung pool. Of course, they have this multi-purpose hall, outdoor play, and exercise station. Great if you're here for more than just a chill time. So the security feature here is 24/7 guards, lobbies, CCTV, fire alarms, and sprinklers, 2 podium parking levels, standby power to common areas and units, 3 elevators, both for water tanks, little things that add up. So yes, when it comes to the ratings, this Century Tower got 9.3 to 10 ratings when it comes to booking. So many loves the full kitchen, speedy Wi-Fi, comfy beds, and overall cleanliness. Yes, very, very clean. So if ever na, yun na nga, gusto niyo mag-isip-isip, muni-muni at hindi niyo pa alam kung asan kayo pwede stay in here in Cagayan de Oro at a very reasonable price in a very reasonable place, Century Tower is a must to try. Till then, thank you and ciao!